Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how we can print the simple pattern using the Java. So we'll first create a new file for that. We'll save this as sample01.java. Okay, our file has been created. So first we'll create a class of the same name, class sample01. Okay, then main method. Okay. So first of all, we're going to see which type of pattern we are going to print. So I'm just commenting down the lines so that inside that I can print that star to show you. Okay. So we're going to see first one star. In second line, there will be two star, three star, four, five star. Okay. We will print this pattern using our programs. So first of all, I will show you how we can decide how to print the star, like how many for loops we required. Also another things, yes. So first of all, as you can see, uh, this is first star. In second row there are two star. In third row three, four, and five. So these rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are denoted by I. Okay. And these columns, the first column, second column, third column, fourth column, and five column. These columns are denoted by J. So we require two for loops, like for int I is equal to, and so many we'll see in this R code. So, and another for loop will be for int j. So this is called the outer for loop. Outer for loop. And this is called as inner for loop. So outer for loop is for the we can say rows, and the inner for loop is for the columns. Okay. We'll see the same in our code. Let me remove this all things. Okay. We'll first initialize an integer. Int n is equal to 5. So why I took 5? Because this let me show you. This pattern is of 5 by 5, means this 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is fifth row. Also column 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, and 5. So this pattern is 4 by 4, means 5 by 5, sorry, 5 rows and 5 columns. Okay. So we'll see this in our code. Okay. I initialize the integer n as 5. So we'll just go for the outer loop for int I is equal to 5 or n. I is uh, I is greater than equal to 1, means I will give you explanation why I wrote this. So I plus plus means, first of all, we'll we'll take 1 for I, and I is less than is equal to n, and then I plus plus means in first iteration the value of I will be 1, and I will be iterate while the value is equal to or less than of n, means less than 5, means it starts from 1 and go up to the 5. So it will first print 1, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, like this. And we'll now initialize the inner loop. So for int j is equal to 1, j is less than equal to I, j plus plus, means in first iteration when I will be 1, I 1, so our j is 1, and it iterates up to, means it iterates up to when j is less than equal to I, means now I is 1, so it is less than equal to 1, so this condition is satisfying, means I is equal to 1, so this will execute for first one time, and when our I will be plus plus, so our I will be 2, and it enters in the inner loop, then the j will be equal to 1, and j is less than equal to, means 1 is less than equal to 2. Yes, this condition also satisfying, and when j plus plus, j becomes 2, and j 2 is less than equal to 2, this condition also becomes true, so that's why it prints 2 star, and in first it prints only 1 star. Okay, let me write this whole code, then you will understand better. So system dot out dot print. So in that print, we are going to print the star. Okay, and I have given the space for it will give the better formatting for that. So yes, and after this inner loop, we will going to print system dot out dot println, means it will print the new line whenever the inner loop completed his we can say his iteration, it will print the next iteration in new line. So we will going to uh, run this or execute this. So we will going to execute this. First of all, I did not open the cmd, so I will open it, and in it we need to set the path of our program. So first of all, we are now in C drive. To change our drive, we will use D colon. It moves to D drive. Then CD means change directory. And in that, we'll going Java programs, CD, patterns, PD. I have created a YouTube directory. Okay. In this directory, our pattern is there. So we'll try to execute this sample. So, okay, I am using the Java 21 version. That's why our command will be Java mine hyphen cp dot our file name sample 01 dot java. Okay, so it does not execute because why? I will show you why it does not execute. It showing the error could not open. Okay, because the JVM does not find the path for this. So first of all, we need to set the path of our Java's virtual machine. So for that, going to C drive and Java C drive. One, just a second. This is the D drive. We'll go into C drive. In that program files, and in program files there will be a Java file. So JDK, I have two versions of Java, JDK 21 and JDK 22. So we'll just for now we'll select JDK 21 and copy this path JDK 21 slash bin and come to the console, and we'll set this path using set path is equal to space and enter. Okay, our path is set now. So we'll again use the same command to run our program. So our pattern is printed. We'll show the same to same pattern is printed here. This is showing different because I use space here. That's why it is showing. I will show without the space. I will just execute again. Look, this is the program we have successfully printed. So thank you for watching this video.